Tremendous digital sales data. He's brushed off the ball there. Foden. Big chance, corner. In towards the middle. After work, he was quick to see the danger. And Bernardo Silva! Gets through without sophistication. De Bruyne. Oh, great chance! Sancho. Bruno Fernandes. Needs the offside trap. Whistled off the ball there. He's tried one! It's the old goalkeeper. Kyle Walker. Ruben Dias. Bernardo Silva. Rodri. Very keen on the aerial route. Look, if you're good at it,